What's up, guys? Today we're going to start off the video with a unboxing. My buddy Tonny over at Project 88 Garage in Norway. He sent me another package and I am excited to open this up, and I figure you guys would like to see it too. So yeah, shout out to him. Thank you so much. Be sure to follow him. He restores Hondas, races them, and does so many cool things with these cars. But anyways, let's get right into this. And I apologize for my voice today. I just got over the C word, so my voice isn't all there yet. But anyways, let's dig right in. Ooh, I already see more Honda bags. Oh wait, there's stuff in it. Oh sweet. Got some Hondas. Oh, these are cool because these are little short packs. So most of the ones in the US are the longer Hot Wheels. What we got here? Miata. Yep, we got an EG. Vintage Civic. Got one of these face mask things. Oh dude, what is this? A car air freshener? What the? That is so cool. This is so detailed too. Alright, hold on, let's see what other... Oh yeah, I got 2 more ready F's. I gotta open this up, this thing looks cool. I don't know if I'll be able to smell it because, you know, I just got over the C word. Dude, that is so sick. Oh, I can smell it. I don't know if it smells what it smells like to me. It smells almost peachy or something, but dude, that is so cool. Thank you so much for that. Oh my gosh. I don't even know where you get these things. I've never seen one before. Oh dude, what the? It's a Norwegian Coca-Cola. It's all in a different language. How did you even... So that... I don't know if this is CRX or EF. I'd have to look it up because it's because the EFs in like Canada and stuff actually had a center console like this, so I'm not exactly sure, but this is sick. And it's got heated seats. Look at that, factory heated seats. Dude, this is crazy. Factory harness and everything. Dude, Tonny, you hooked me up way too much. This is insane. That is so cool. The heated seats. We never got the heated seat option in the US, so it's just so cool to see random stuff like this. And I'm guessing this is the bezel for the top of it. I think one of the... Oh yeah, there's another soda. That must have leaked because it got a little moist in here. Oh dude, it's a factory... What is this? It's a... Yeah, it's a, what do you call it? Axle boot. So it's a legit new old stock, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, brand new OEM Honda axle boot. That's sick. I don't even think they still make those. It's like a ton of money if you ever do buy one. Oh, is that just another one? Okay, oh dude, I got it. So I got 2 of them. Nice. My man, you hooked me up way too much. Oh, that's cool. This looks like a orange flavor soda. It's so cool that I don't even want to open them because they're in the different languages. Cool, I want to keep them for display. A little moist. Suede wheel, my favorite. That was sick. Another one. Same wheel. Dude, that is so cool. Thank you. This is better than Christmas. Oh, got Leah some treats. 10.2 millimeter. Heck yeah. I should throw these on my car too. I like that they're blue like the NGKs. Got another orange soda. Oh, dude. Heck yeah. A JDM fog light, dude. Heck yeah. That is so sick. That's a rear fog for your bumper. Cars overseas, Japan, Europe, all that. They had these fog lights. I've always wanted one for one of my cars. I kind of want one for the Integra since that's going to be like the baller daily. So I might see if I can get that to fit in there or something. Oh, is that the... That might be the rest of the harness for you there. Oh yeah, that... I think that's for the fog light. Heck yeah. Dude, that even gave me the harness. JDM tow hook. Just put that in Integra. I don't even know what this is. Triangles of some sort. I'm trying to think what they are. Oh, it might be like a splitter or something, e.g. I have no idea. I'll have to open that later and figure out what that is. It's got hardware in here too, mounting hardware. Got I'm assuming these are M&Ms. Well, obviously it looks the same. I don't know if it's like the actual company, because I know over different countries, some of their logos are a little bit different than the U.S. Some more dog treats for Leah. Everyone loves Leah. What's this? Oh, heck yeah. Oh, dude, I've actually been wanting one of these for the EF. I literally almost bought one too. And the Type R shift knob. Dude, hooked me up. I can't believe this. Dude, 2 fog lights? Oh, heck yeah. I got 2. So some people only ran 1, and other cars would run 2. I don't know. This might be off like I'm assuming an EF. A lot of EFs had 2 of them, especially the Beagle wagons. So, oh dude, that's so sick. Thank you so much. Dude, I don't even know how you fit all this stuff in that little box, but I am so thankful for this. Thank you so much. This is so cool. This is stuff that we don't get in the US. So everyone watching this video that's in the US will definitely appreciate how rare and valuable this stuff is, dude. Thank you so much. I don't know, beyond words. Yeah, she already knows she's getting a treat. Come here. Oh, you say thanks, Tonny, for the treat. Oh, good girl. She's so weird about getting treats. She's got to sniff it, lick it, and then eventually she eats it. Alright, today's the next day. I've actually been kind of checking over the wagon from the last video, going up into the mountains, because if you watch that video, I actually knocked it out of alignment, so it's kind of inspecting things. I can show you that in a minute, but still don't know what this video entails yet, because I was going to throw this in my my EF, but something broke. I don't know if it broke in the shipping because the box got pretty beat, but this keeps swiveling, so it's no good. I could probably tack weld or something, but it would have to be welded after I put it in the car, and I'm like, you know what, if I'm gonna go through all the effort in installing this, I might as well just get one that doesn't have a broken part inside here. So unfortunately, but if I get the similar style, I'll have extra parts, so that's cool. But I really wanted to show you guys this, just to show you how convenient this is with the alignment getting knocked out of the wagon. So if you look over here, this is the side that did not get knocked out of alignment. You just, I don't know, everything's normal, whatever. That's about the gap right there that's supposed to be at. You go over to this side. Obviously, you can see smaller gap right here, but conveniently enough, there is a perfect line. Well, I guess not perfect, but you can see the line where it slid from. So all I gotta do is loosen that up and shove it back up to where that line is, and it should be good. So I'm gonna do that quick and then take it for a test drive and see if the alignment or the steering wheel is straight again. Alright, got it all back adjusted, tightened down. So I guess we'll just take a quick drive to see if it's straight, and I guess see what else we got to do today. And just a quick clarification, if you do plan on buying Skunk2 upper control arms or a camber kit or whatever, and you're kind of skeptical because mine got knocked out, don't let it freak you out. I was going about 45 miles an hour hitting 6 to 8 inch holes off-road with this thing. So if you're putting them on your Honda or your Integra or something, you're not going to be hitting potholes like that, or your oil pan's going to be smoked, or you're going to be doing other damage. This is like off-road stuff. Like, they're not even like off-road suspension. I just bought them for this to align my car when I lifted it. So just a clarification. I'm not skeptical about running these on any of my cars whatsoever. So just want to clarify, and don't be scared if you have them on your car. Alright, perfect. Alignment is all back to normal.